Up first this evening, relief and jubilation as the baby who was stolen last month from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston has been found. The police confirmed that the baby, who was found in the care of a woman at the Registrar General's Department RGD in St. Catherine earlier this week, is the missing child. Now, TVJ's Anthony Logg has been following this story and now joins us live. Anthony?
Thank you, Janella. Well, the confirmation came from a DNA test carried out on the baby. Yesterday, we reported that DNA samples were taken from the parents as well as the woman who had the child.
Joy at the Denhamtown Police Station in Kingston after 30 days of sorrow. Sinclair Hutton and Suzette White, the mother and father of the child, arrived at the police station after getting the news they had long waited for.
Never give up hope. And Father God, there with me. We pray, we fast, we got prayer from all over the world, you know, near and far, you know. Yeah, man, I want to thank everybody.
There's no words to explain how I feel. I'm feeling so happy, glad, amazed, excited.
After giving DNA samples on Wednesday, they waited patiently to find out if the baby found in the custody of a woman at the Registrar General Department in St. Catherine earlier this week was theirs. It seemed almost impossible that the baby would be found, as there were no security cameras installed at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital at the time, and the security guard was missing from his post at the time of the incident.
When I got the news, you know, I tell you, say, I start screaming. I say, really? And them say, yes, man, it's a match. I say, what you say, man? Real? I say, man, yo, I'm like, nervous, I'm not so shake. So I say, this is real.
The woman who was held with the child remains in custody and is expected to face an identification parade.
We also found her with some documents which, just looking at it, we suspect that they are fictitious.
What are some other documents you speak of?
There was a booklet with Ford's signature.
The child remains in state care and will be returned to the parents on Friday. So as the parents anxiously wait to reunite with their child,
Dying to see him. We hug him and kiss him. Yeah. It's a long wait.
Anthony Logg, TVJ News.
That's great news there. But Anthony, since that storybook, there have been claims that babies are being stolen and sold?
Indeed, in fact, the West Kingston police are investigating a possible baby stealing racket.
On a preliminary statement given by the suspect, I mean, it's opened a can of worms. And we have a lot more investigation to do. In fact, some of the persons that we would have collected statements from already, we're going to send back for those persons and get further statements. Based on what we are seeing here, this investigation can spiral out into what we can probably term as a baby stealing ring.
And as the investigations continue, we questioned whether it could be an inside job at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
Our investigation would have suggested that, because based on the security that is at the Kingston Jubilee Hospital, it should be difficult for a person to leave the hospital with a child that does not belong to them. So it must have been the inside job or conspiracy among other persons.
Thank you so much, Anthony.